FactoryWiz tips and tricks video. Today we're going to look at adding a new machine and a new license if required. To start with, I'm going to log in with an admin account. I go to configuration. I go to licensing. Now, what would happen at this point if we've just been reissued a new license from FactoryWiz? Then we simply press cloud check and it will pull in our new flexible license count. And then once we've got that, we just need to reallocate them around accordingly. If you're removing a machine, such as the Allen Bradley, and you're going to be adding a new FANUC, then you just have to reallocate accordingly. And we save that. So now we've got our licenses sorted. What we want to do is add a new machine to the system. So if we go back to configuration, it could be that we're also removing an older machine. So if that is the case, we go database. We select the machine we want to remove, select these, and we go purge to totally remove this machine. That has now been deleted. So now if I want to add a new machine, if I go to machines, I get add new, and I'm going to call this demo 2. Now it's likely we've already got a very similar machine existing, so I'm going to copy my machine to save me having to reset all the settings. And demo 1 is the same FANUC controller, so I should pick that. Press create. If it wasn't a FANUC controller, we just pick the relevant control here. We set the IP address of the new control, and everything else here is exactly the same. If you want further information than the notes next to the settings, you can find these in the manual. They're all well described exactly what they are. Okay, and once we're good with that, we press save. Now, in order for the new machine to get loaded into the FANUC service that collects the data from the FANUC, it needs to restart. It will restart in time, but if you want to speed that process up, if you come down to services, you select FANUC Focus over here, and you press stop. You will receive instructions, automatic email that tells you to restart the server. You can either restart the server or you can do this method. Okay, so basically you're just applying the changes quickly. So now it's stopped. I press start and I wait for this to go green and this to go red, and now we have restarted it. So that went from green to red and back to green. That's it, we're good to go. Thanks for watching.